my Physio channel. Let's today discuss about the electrodes which are used in the electrotherapy for different modalities. What is electrode? So it is a conductive material that serves as interference between a stimulator and the patient's skin. Electrodes are connected to stimulator by insulated wire called as electrode lead, cable or cord. Electrical conductor used to conduct electrical current from the electric device or circuit to the body tissue of subject. So this is about the electrode. Now the types. So types, we have two types: surface electrode and invasive or indwelling electrode. So the surface electrode which are directly placed onto the patient's skin, and invasive electrode, that means we can use a needle electrode which stimulate a deeper structure of the body. Okay, so first we discuss about the surface electrode. It attached to the patient's skin and they are made up of polymer or carbon or silicone, rubbers or the aluminium foil. The types of surface electrode which is asked in exam. So we have four types: self-adhesive electrode, metal electrode, rubber electrode and the vacuum electrode. So the first one is self-adhesive surface electrode. So it is simple to apply and no requirement of straps. Second, it reused for the same patient. Store in seal bag. The advantages is it gives a good electrical conduction area and it is flexible electrode. The disadvantages, it is very much costly and used is in the TENS and IFT modality. IFT means interferential therapy. So it is a diagram of the self-adhesive electrode which applied directly on the patient's skin. There is no need of strap for the correct position of the electrode. Second type, metal electrode. So these electrodes are applied with wet pad or sponge. Advantages is lowest cost, reusable and non-breakable. The disadvantage is straps is necessary for the correct position, then chances of infection because the same electrode used for each and every patients repeatedly. So the spread and chances of infection is high. The high risk of shock because material is made up of the metal and used in ES, that is electrical stimulation. The third type is carbon rubber electrode. So it made up of rubber applied over skin with the using of a gel, using a strap or adhesive tape for the fixation of electrode correctly onto its position. Then advantage is it is reusable, cheap and flexible. And disadvantages are break up easily and used for IFT and TENS modality. So this is the diagram of the carbon rubber electrode. The fourth type is vacuum electrode, made up of rubber. Use vacuum to remain secure to the patient's skin surface and uses dampens sponge as a medium. Okay, so we don't apply a gel or water, we apply a sponge as a medium. Advantages, can be reused and doesn't require gel. It is less messy and hassle free. The disadvantages are expense of suction apparatus, high vacuum use cause bruising on the skin. They used for IFT application, that is interferential therapy. So these are the vacuum electrodes and here it is a sponge. Then second type, invasive electrodes, used to conduct electrical impulses to the deeper tissues. Most commonly used needle electrode. Advantages are it conduct deep structure, so wastage of electricity energy is less. And disadvantages is it cause pain and larger area can't be stimulated with this electrode used in EMG studies. So this is the needle electrode. The other electrodes used in electrotherapy that are handheld probe electrode, which use for the electrophysiological testing, and this is used commonly for the small muscles. The second, that is vaginal or rectal electrode. So these are the purpose specific electrodes generally used for the treatment of the incontinence. And the third is the electrode used for iontophoresis. So either aluminium or foils are placed over pad, and pad is contain either solutions of medicine or electrolysis agent. So these are the other electrodes which can use in electrotherapy. Thank you.